Hello dear all, this is Mridula Lawrence and today we will talk about a very interesting topic. If you want to stay healthy, happy, agile, if you want to revive your memory, stay rejuvenated, refreshed, then this video is for you. Watch it till end so that you get very good insights. We are talking about brain. Brain is a very important organ of human body which not only controls the entire body but it influences the entire life, mind, body and soul directly or indirectly. Because whatever thoughts you are thinking it through the brain, and those thought patterns create the vibrations which emit into the universe, and you attract matching vibrations, and that creates the entire gamut of your life. Now, whoever has studied basic science would know that there are two hemispheres of the brain, the right hemisphere and the left hemisphere. The right hemisphere controls the left part of the body and the left hemisphere controls the right part of the body. Between these two hemispheres, towards the back, is a very important portion which is called midbrain. Now this portion is very important, but very sadly it stays active only till the age of 5 in human beings. After the age of 5 it starts getting redundant because of the conditions in which we are living today, because of the pollution, the pesticides, the chemicals, lifestyles. Even the basic thing, when we had started brain education, we were ourselves trying to figure out, and we were trying to find a basic simple thing like a toothpaste, and we were wanting to find a toothpaste which does not have fluoride, and it was a struggle. It was very difficult to read between those thin lines printed in the ingredients section of the toothpaste, and it was very difficult to find such a basic thing without fluoride. What happens is, all these kind of chemicals in traces, they keep going to the brain, and they keep getting deposited in the brain on the pineal gland. Now, talking about pineal gland, it is a very important gland of the body. It's a very important gland of the endocrine system. Scientists have done a lot of research on pineal gland, and they have given it a name. They call it seat of soul. I'll share a link about the details about pineal gland, and you just go through that video and you will understand how important is this gland of our body. This is a gland which connects the logical and the illogical, the visible and the non-visible. It connects you to the
higher consciousness, the infinite intelligence.
So what we do in our brain workshops, we detoxify the pineal gland, we activate the midbrain, and during that process the right brain gets activated, the left and the right brain get balanced, the communication between the right and the left brain enhances. So it is just like, for a lay person, it is just like you have installed a very high speed broadband internet connection at your home. So everything which you are doing will speed up. Any app which you will open will speed up. Similarly, anything which you are doing, if you are a musician, if you are a technician, athlete, doctor, scientist, a lot of children preparing for IAS and other competitive exams, they come to us because they want a very agile, alert, super fast, super intelligent brain. Anything and everything you are doing enhances, and you will start doing it at least 10 times better. This is our guarantee. So let us look at the pictures, and these are pretty scary pictures, how the pineal gland gets calcified, and how the other parts of the brain also get influenced by the chemicals and the toxins which we are exposed to on a daily basis. So let us see some of the pictures here.
This is the structure of the brain, the pineal gland, the pituitary gland, which is another very important gland of the endocrine system, and of course the midbrain, which is located at the stem of the brain. Now this is the side view. If you would look at the frontal view, you will understand the midbrain acts like a bridge between the right brain and the left brain. So once this entire area of brain gets stimulated and activated, this kind of neural pathways are created, and millions of neural pathways are created, new neural pathways are created, which are responsible for enhancing the intelligence and awakening the brain. It is said Einstein had millions of neural pathways more than any average man. So the neural pathways are responsible for communication between the different parts of the brain. Now here is a very scary picture. This is the pineal gland, and this gets calcified. All the chemicals and the toxins, they gather around the gland and completely block it. And then people think that they are aging, that's why their brain is becoming slow and memory is getting slow and things like that. But it is mere calcification. Now, pineal gland is also responsible for secretion of a very important hormone called melatonin. This hormone is essential to regulate the sleep cycle in human beings. Post-COVID, we are getting a lot of calls because somehow the COVID virus has affected the pineal gland, and people who have recovered from COVID are facing a lot of problem in sleeping, a lot of restlessness, lot of disturbance in sleep. Very senior doctors have approached us, and one senior doctor called me just 3 days back, and he told me that he himself had an attack of COVID, and since he is a doctor, he is trying to analyze his situation, and he and his fellow doctors have come down to this opinion that it is a pineal gland disturbance which has happened and causing sleeplessness.
Let us come to the point, how do we decalcify, detoxify the pineal gland? How do we activate the brain, the right brain and the left brain balancing, and the midbrain activation? So yes, sound, music is a very, very precious gift given to human beings. And Professor Makato, who is a very renowned neuroscientist of Japan, he and his team, they devised the music tracks which are of combination music of different frequencies of different hertz, and they have combined it in a very scientific manner which we expose our participants to. So when the participants come to our workshops, we have tailor-made a beautiful design for them. We have brain gymming, eye gymming, body gymming, a lot of body and limb movements, eye movements, very advanced meditations, deep cleansing processes. If emotional cleansing or any sort of healing is required, first we go ahead with that. And it's a very nice, light environment, a lot of fun, a lot of laughter, because we need those hormones to be released by the brain, which prepare the brain in a way where we can work upon it. So a lot of laughter is included, and then our workshops are very, very unique kind of workshops, one of their own kinds, to be done just once in lifetime, because we make the participants sleep. We make them go into deep sleep for 2 hours each day. So if there are 4 modules, in every module we will let the participants, the adults and the kids sleep. Distance is not a restriction. People sit anywhere, Australia, Germany, Ireland, France. We have done workshops for people sitting in New Zealand, kids sitting in Netherlands, anywhere. You can sit anywhere across the globe. Till the time you can see me, listen to me, take the instructions and guidance from me, follow the guided meditations which I make the participants do, and open the course content on your laptop with your headphones on.
As an indication of major neurological change occurred to the brain after workshop, not only kids but even adults over 60 years of age display blindfold activities, that is identifying colors and text by just touching it, hearing it, smelling it or putting it on the forehead. Participants display telepathy in the class practice sessions immediately after the workshop. Participants who come for follow-up, they share their experiences of immense intuition powers enhanced. This is the potential of our brain, which is untapped, and we help you unleash that potential. To register for upcoming brain workshops, you may leave a message at the WhatsApp number given here or check out the website www.mridulalawrence.com. Thank you so much for watching. God bless you.